things I wish I knew before I got married. Everybody tells you that marriage isn't easy and that you're going to have to work hard. If you're lucky enough to have gotten guidance from your parents about what to do and what not to do, or maybe you had some role models, I'm very pleased for you, but many of us didn't. I most certainly did not. I mean, don't get me wrong, my parents were amazing. They passed away several years ago. They prepared me for life. They didn't prepare me for marriage. I'm Dr. Elena Sherwood, a relationship expert. Mostly, I'm just Elena, who's been married 30 years. The first thing I didn't know was how badly I would want to run. See, and running is kind of complicated because it's not like you're going to say we're over or we're going to take a break, although you might feel like that's what you want. It could be even things like, well, that's it. I'm going out with my girlfriends. That's F this. I'm going to spend the weekend with my family. I don't have time to deal with any of this. I'm going to take that extra part-time job. I'm going to take another course. All beautiful things, but sometimes we're running away from dealing with what things are like at home. The second thing I wish I knew is that I was going to have to learn new skills. It's one of those things you kind of know, but you kind of didn't. But I wish I had more concrete direction what kind of skills I would need to learn, like how to really compromise. That one I thought I was pretty good at. Turns out I'm not. I had no idea how tightly I hang on to my own opinions and how badly I insist on things going my way. In my opinion, I'm pretty adaptable and I can go with the flow. I found out I'm wrong. Quite wrong on that. The other thing I had to learn was how to be a good listener. I'm a pretty good one. I listened to people for a career. That didn't make me better at listening to what my husband was trying to tell me. The third warning I wish I'd gotten was that marriage, relationships, especially if you want it good, require a lot. I mean a lot of self-awareness. I'm pretty self-aware, so I thought. I've been journaling since I was 7. I love to write up my thoughts. I thought I'm pretty expressive. It turns out that I'm quite selective in what I choose to be aware about. And it's not until somebody's asking you deeper questions about the things that you're pushing that you really have to find out what's driving that. In my case, I learned I hold a grudge. Didn't see that coming. Apparently it's true. In my head, honest goodness, I have a list of everything my husband has done wrong. And let me tell you, it's a pretty extensive list. All this stuff I had to learn the hard way. I had to admit that I'm one of the I'm not yelling people. Even some days with everything I think I know squat. Let me know if you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.